Hi, welcome back. I'm Jane. I love to garden. I live up by the Wasatch Mountains in Utah. So today we're going to do some experimenting. I have some clear bins that have holes at the bottom, and I've used these for winter sowing. But now I'm going to put so I've got lots of winter sowing. Can you see all that winter sowing down there? So now I'm going to sacrifice some of my starts that I've been doing inside. And we are going to plant out early. It's May 2nd in Utah. It feels glorious. It's 80 degrees. It's just beautiful. And it's a little early to plant warm weather plants, but I am going to experiment with putting covers on them and see if it works. I might sacrifice some of these starts and they might die. These are not winter sown starts. Let me turn the camera around. Here's some of my starts that I'm sacrificing. Lipstick pepper, violet pepper. I always called that Leisha. How do you say that? And a fish pepper with no variegation. Also Costaluta Genovese, or however you say that, and a Mana orange. So I've tried both of these tomatoes before. So they've been sitting in the shade over here, hardening off a little bit more. But let's go down to the really sunny spot. So I'm talking to you in the shade because the spot that we are going to do this experiment is very sunny. So I might be frying my starts. I might be making them too cold. I don't know, but we're gonna try it. And if I get a month early, 2 weeks to a month early, then it's worth it. We'll see, right? And if not, have you seen my sunroom? Have you seen out here? I have enough plants. Wait, said no gardener ever. Okay, I don't have enough plants. But let's go experiment. Come along. So this is where my experiment is going to happen. And my son is building me raised beds. That's why it's so loud. That's exciting. So I put some milk jugs over here with the bottom cut off. So I'm going to plant some of these down here. I also have these containers. Let me get these up here. I also have these clear containers that we can experiment with too. On this side, I'm going to put some hot fish peppers. In the middle, I'm going to put some Amana orange and some Costaluta Genovese. And then on this side, we're going to do some sweet peppers. Let's get to it. Okay, I got my son Ethan. Thank you. He's going to help me record a little bit. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the peppers. These are all fish peppers. And we're just going to dig and bury. And then I'm going to take one of these guys and nuzzle it real good. You can look through there for a minute while I grab something that says what they are. So then I have this stick made from, I think it came from chairs or a bunk bed. I'm going to stick that in there. And I'm going to do the same thing with the other ones. Okay, we're going to put some Costaluta Genovese in. And I might be sacrificing these seedlings, but you know, I don't know if I care at the moment because I want to play in the dirt. So I'm putting them really close to each other because they might die, they might get fried. I might only have a few show up, only a few survive, and then I'm going to go like this and put these on top. Okay. Now I'm going to do the rest of them. Be right back. Okay, I have a little more space on the one side, so I'm going to do orange banana. And then I got to write another tag for the Costaluta Genovese. So my cute boy over there is measuring so he can make me another raised bed. And I've been working over here. Let me show you. These are fish peppers. There's a couple here. 2. I might get one more. And this is the Costoluta Genovese. This is, oh, and another fish. This is an experiment. I'm not sure if it's going to work. I hope it does. These are some Amana oranges. Nothing super special. They're just planted really deep. Can you see that? Underneath this makeshift greenhouse. Here's some more Amana oranges. I'm going to have to figure out some way. Maybe I've heard people use a wire hanger and they like push it all the way in there and then they kind of go over the edge. I might have to do that. These are the orange banana. And then here's 3 more peppers. And they have tags with them. Let me get these planted and then I got to get watering. I don't want these things to fry down here. Okay, my garden is ready for the night. I'm going to keep it on here, I think, until we're consistently 60 for the peppers and 50 for the tomatoes. But I've also been watering them really well. So just follow along, let's see what I do. See you later, bye. Hi, it's the next morning. I wanted to check on these before I head off to work. We are only 67 right now degrees. It's supposed to get up to 80 again today, so I want to make sure I get these nice and watered so we don't fry. But let's look inside them real quick and see if they at least made it through the night or if we lost any. And then in another video, I will keep you updated on how they grow and how everything looks in a couple weeks. So come along, let's look real fast. It is so beautiful out here. We got birds singing. I'm not a morning person, so it's, you know, it's only 10 for me is morning. I hate the 5 and 6 and 7 o'clock. Ugh. Look how nice it looks. You made the night. We got a little bit of burn. I think we had that when we first put it in. Let's look at some of these plants. The soil is still pretty moist, so it's not too horrible, but we'll need to water really good today too. Oh, they look good for the first night. I didn't kill everything the first night. Okay, we do want to keep these nice and... I don't know about these tomatoes. I never finish sentences, people. Never. And I don't even have any children around me to blame. These are my geranium starts from seed. They're looking wonderful. Let's look inside this broken bin. We got 2 that I think will look really good. This one and this one. I don't know. We're growing weeds. Back here I did put some Tigger melons in, and these are sugar magnolias. They're really gorgeous. I've never tried them, but they're really pretty color. Okay, bye for real. See you in a couple weeks on this video. Bye.